Good morning.
Good morning, Doc.
So, how are you doing?
Trying to stay awake at this hour.
Wow. So, did you watch the movie Secret yesterday?
Yes, I did. Just
What
loved it.
was your take home?
I had actually seen it
Great.
6, 7 years back when, Amit had introduced me to this. And then I subsequently bought the books also. So, those memories just got refreshed. And, it was so easy watching the movie, so well made, so simply explained. Uh, the two things that that stuck with me were primarily these two words, the two phrases. One was abundance, which is like all out there in the universe. All you need to do is ask and grab it. The second one was that it's the thoughts which make things. So the moment you realize that uh, things start working in whichever direction you want to.
Wow. है ना? हाँ. So simple, but somehow I think we forget it or we miss it, right?
Correct.
Yes. Anybody else who saw the movie? Namrita, were you able to see the movie yesterday?
Yes, ma'am, I saw the movie. In fact, I heard the audio. I was a bit tied up, but and I seen it earlier, but I still saw it again, ma'am. And I was very happy that I was doing it again and found a new meaning.
Right. So I have seen this movie now at least 12 times
Yes, ma'am.
and 7 times very recently. And every time I see it, something else, captures my attention. Very good. So we will not wait for people to join. We will start uh, reading our book. So, Monisha, are you fully awake today to read the book? Or Namrita, any one of you who would want to read the book?
I would love to, but I'm not fully free, ma'am. Maybe sometime when I can take out time fully and sit and
हाँ,
read.
take out time. You know why? ये जो प्रोग्राम है ना, जितना ज्यादा
Hmm.
आप इसमें अंदर घुसोगे उतना ज्यादा
I
मीनिंग
know,
आपको
ma'am.
मिलेगा.
मैं थोड़ा सा और दो नेक्स्ट वीक से करूंगी. You
हाँ,
know how it
I
is here.
no worries. I understand, but the more you take out time, the more you do this with focus, the more you can get out of this.
मैम आप 6 बजे इतने इतने स्पिक एंड स्पैन मतलब कितने सुंदर लग रहे हो. अर्ली मॉर्निंग 6 o'clock. वाओ.
थैंक
ऑल
यू
फ्रेश एंड
आपको,
रेडी.
बिकॉज आपकी वजह से मैं कर रही हूँ ये, है ना?
थैंक यू सो
Ma'am,
मच
are you in
मैम.
the same time zone that we are in?
हाँ.
I mean, ऐसा लग रहा है, are you in the same time zone
नो
that
नो
we are
आई
in?
एम इन.
हम लोग
आई एम
इंडिया में
नॉट.
6 बजे,
मेरा
आप यूएस
मेरा
में 3 बजे, which is like
ये साढ़े
evening.
सात शाम का हो रहा है यहाँ पे. डिनर का
Exactly.
तैयारी चल रहा है.
Right. Perfect. So let's start. Oh, few more people have joined. Let's. Hello.
Hi, good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग. सो कल सीक्रेट देखा क्या?
Yes.
गुड. क्या देखा कल सीक्रेट में?
क्या देखा मतलब पूरा मूवी.
हम्म.
एंड
हाँ.
सबसे बड़ा की टेक अवे उस मूवी से मेरे को क्या लगा ना,
हाँ.
वो देखने से बहुत होप आ जाता है.
जो रियलिटी है.
हाँ.
कल हमने जो बुक पढ़ी थी उसकी एक लाइन थी. कौन सी लाइन में रेफर कर रही हूँ? हु विल टेल मी? आई थिंक मोनिशा कैन टेल मी.
Okay, so this one was what you started with, Doc, was, it was like a riddle. which appeared to be very unjust. By the time we heard that statement, and it went like the more you have, the more you continue getting or attracting, and the lesser you have, you end up even losing whatever you have in hand. So it appeared that you're talking about the rich people
Right. So
continue to
before
get
that,
more.
just yeah, yes, that was beautiful. But when we started, there was a quote there which said, "If you don't believe in magic, you don't get it."
Oh yeah, yeah,
Right? So Tanvi,
Yeah.
hopes बढ़ नहीं जाती, वो reality है. When we were child, there was this quotation which we used to read often was, सूरज मांगो तो या चांद मांगो तो तारों तक तो पहुंच ही जाओगे, राइट? सो यू विल गेट दोज. बट अगर आप मांगने से ही डरोगे, इफ यू नो are afraid of leaving your ask in the universe, then how will the universe know that you want it? And when I'm talking about universe, how is universe connected with what we are doing currently? What is there in the universe कि हम कहते हैं कि यूनिवर्स में छोड़ दो और वो हमारे पास आ जाएगा? What goes in comes out.
the vibration.
Vibration. So vibration का another
Frequency.
name,
Frequency.
frequency उसका another name,
Law of attraction. नहीं.
law of attraction. उसका law of attraction क्यों होता है? Other name, Nishant.
Energy.
Good morning. Yes, energy. So,
Good morning, ma'am.
so universe is energy, right? And हम जैसी एनर्जी देते हैं हमको वैसी मिलती है. यस और नो?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? अगर मैं अभी आपको ब्राइट एंड तैयार होके बैठी हूं तो आपको एक एनर्जी मिल रही है ना, तो मुझे भी आपसे वही पॉजिटिव एनर्जी मिल रही है, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
सो तन्वी, इट इज नॉट होप, इट इज रियलिटी.
Okay. That's
Great. So Nishant, did you see the movie yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh wow, I'm so happy. So Nishant, आपका क्या take home था?
I had seen that earlier as well. So I
हाँ,
watched it again.
right.
So yeah, I believe in the fact that it's all about what you think and what frequency you give out. So
Right.
that's the exact thing
Any
with you, yeah.
anything जो last time आपको नहीं दिखा और कल दिखा?
That it's actually what you think, whether it's a good or bad doesn't matter, whether it's a positive or negative doesn't matter. If you think about that, that will happen.
Exactly. So sometimes what we do, we keep thinking the whole day about, my abdomen is hurting, my abdomen is hurting. It shouldn't hurt. So we might even keep saying it shouldn't hurt. But the universe doesn't understand no and nots.
मैम मुझे एक चीज समझ में है. Can I share?
Yes, please.
All these years, ma'am, I always thought I knew so much about secret, but yesterday I suddenly felt I have many autoimmune problems, and I used to just Google them as I've shared with you.
Right.
अब मैं रियलाइज करी मेरी डिजीजेस बढ़ती गई. अब मुझे स्ट्राइक किया कि मुझे तो डिजीज के बारे में इतना गूगल करना ही नहीं चाहिए. मैं तो और अट्रैक्ट कर रही हूँ अपने आप को खाली डिजीज के बारे में पढ़ के. तो मुझे हेल्थ पे ही करना
So
चाहिए.
sweet, so sweet. Exactly. So सीक्रेट ये ही कहता है. सीक्रेट कहता है कि आप ये मत सोचो आपके पास क्या नहीं है. आप बस वो विजुअलाइज करो जो आपको चाहिए. एंड एक काम आपको क्या नहीं करना है, मोनिशा, आपको एक काम क्या नहीं करना है जब आप आस्क करो यूनिवर्स में?
You should not keep thinking about it.
ना 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 ना, you should keep thinking about what you ask. You don't have to think about how. अगर आज मैं सोचती हूं कि मेरी I should be able to heal 1 lakh autoimmune disorder and gut infection patients in 2021.
My goodness.
Right? अगर मैं ये सोचती हूं ना तो बस मुझे ये सोचना है सुबह दोपहर शाम रात. जिस दिन मैं ये सोचने लग गई कि मैं कैसे करूंगी वो, how those people will know about me, then सॉरी मैंने मैजिक मिस कर दिया. अभी जो नम्रता ने बोला वो तो जस्ट बिगिनिंग थी कि ढूंढना नहीं है, उल्टा ढूंढना वही है जो मुझको चाहिए. राइट? बट द की इज अपने हाउ नहीं सोचना. जब आप आस्क करोगे आपको अपने आप एनर्जी से those things will happen with you. So
what I
I'll
meant
tell you.
that once you ask, you think about it, what you want, you actually be very specific in what you desire. Then you just let the universe do its job. Don't
Exactly.
have to worry about how it's going to be done, when it's going to be done, why it's
How?
going to happen.
No.
How, when.
When you decide,
Okay.
how is not your concern. So I'll tell you something, a very small thing. ठीक है? अब आप में से कितने लोगों को ब्रश गिफ्ट में मिलता है अपने स्पाउस से या बच्चों से?
कैसा ब्रश में?
टूथब्रश. मुझे कभी नहीं मिला. टूथब्रश खराब होता है, केमिस्ट से खुद ही जाके ले आते हैं. राइट? है ना? 4-5 दिन पहले व्हाट हैपेंड, आई सडनली वाज वॉकिंग एंड आई थॉट यार मेरे को ब्रश चाहिए और इस बार आई डोंट वांट टू गो एंड गेट इट. यार पर मुझे ब्रश चाहिए एंड दैट्स द ओनली थॉट आई हैड. 3-4 बार दिन में आया. एंड यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड? शाम को माय हस्बैंड सेज यार ये नीम के ब्रश निकले हुए थे, आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड फॉर ऑल 4 ऑफ अस. It was like a solitaire diamond for me that day because I was wanting that. Right? मुझे नहीं पता था कैसे आना है. So अगर आप ये छोड़ पाओ, मैंने छोड़ दिया यूनिवर्स में कि मुझे इतने ऑटोइम्यून लोग किसी तरह से मैं करूं. एंड यू वोंट बिलीव, व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड मुझे कोई आइडिया ही नहीं था. एंड देयर इज दिस गर्ल फ्रॉम मुंबई. ठीक है? शी इज अ यंग गर्ल, शी इज स्टडिंग, शी इज नॉट वेरी वेल टू डू. राइट? शी फाउंड अबाउट मी समवेयर एंड व्हेन शी बुक्ड माय कंसल्टेशन आई वाज वंडरिंग कि यार इसने मेरी कंसल्टेशन बुक करी कैसे है. यू नो, lot of people would not of her stature. And I started working with her. 3 months में ना उसके एलोपेशिया एरिएटा के बड़े बड़े पैचेस थे सिर में जहां बाल नहीं थे. I am surprised to see उसके बाल वापस आ गए वहां पर सारे.
Wow, amazing, ma'am.
Right, all patches have gone away, Namrata.
Amazing.
And I thought इसको I have to treat her complimentary because उसका स्टेटस ऐसा था. मैं तो हैरान थी उसने एक कंसल्टेशन भी कैसे बुक करी. बट शी वॉज देयर एंड 3 महीने भी नहीं हुए अभी और उसके वो आ रहे. एंड शी इज लाइक मैम मैं कितने सालों से इधर उधर घूम रही थी एंड मेरे स्कूल टाइम से मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम थी, आपने किया क्या है? मुझे पता ही नहीं है. मैंने तो बस ये छोड़ रखा है कि भाई इतने पेशेंट्स मुझे मिलने चाहिए और ठीक होने चाहिए. बस बात ही खत्म है उसके बाद. राइट? सो
Amen, ma'am. So sweet.
थैंक यू. सो माय पॉइंट इज, मैंने जो ये 5 महीने में सीखा है ना, आई एम टेलिंग यू, हम जहां रास्ता गलत ले लेते हैं, पहला तो वो जो नम्रता ने बोला वेरी राइट, हम अननोइंगली अनोइंगली उसी चीज को ढूंढते रहते हैं. वो चीज आपके पास आएगी. अगर आप इस जर्नी में आ गए हो ना मेरे साथ गट एंड ग्रैटिट्यूड में, एनीथिंग विच यू शुड नो, ग्रैटिट्यूड में डीप जाने के लिए या गट हेल्थ को बेटर करने के लिए, वो आपके पास खुद उड़ उड़ के आपके इनबॉक्स में आएगा, आपके फोन में आएगा, आपके सामने आएगा. आपको उसको ढूंढना नहीं है कहीं. आपको बस उस टाइम रिएक्शन करने के लिए या रिस्पॉन्ड करने के लिए रेडी रहना है. उस टाइम गाड़ी आई थी मैंने दरवाजा खोला था और तुम चढ़ी नहीं और सोचती रह गई कि मैं चढ़ूं या ना चढ़ूं, उसमें यूनिवर्स कुछ नहीं कर सकता।
So
राइट? ऐसी एक हिंदी मूवी की स्टोरी भी है ना, एक सीन है ना। सो हमें जो समझना है, विच ऑल ऑफ यू हैव ब्रॉट फॉरवर्ड सो ब्यूटिफुली, इज फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू वांट, आस्क। एंड यहां पे ना एक चीज है जो मैंने ऑब्जर्व की है, एटलीस्ट इंडियन ब्रिंगिंग अप में ना, हम लोग क्या करते हैं अपने बच्चों के साथ, हम उन्हें बचपन से सिखाते हैं आस्क नहीं करना, मांगना गलत बात है। यस और नो?
yes, ma'am.
है ना? हम बचपन से बोलते हैं तुमने नेबर से जाके ये कैसे मांग लिया, तुमने रोड पे अंकल से ये कैसे मांग लिया, है ना? एंड हमें ये स्ट्राइक ही नहीं करता कि हमें किसी से मांगना नहीं है, वो सही है। वो इसलिए सिखाया जाता है कि तुम वहां मांगने से जगह खुद से मांगो, अपने यूनिवर्स से मांगो, है ना? जो सेकंड वाला पार्ट है वो समहाउ कई बच्चे समझ नहीं पाते हैं, या कई पेरेंट्स तो शायद समझाने की कोशिश करते ही हैं, बट इट डजंट बिकम क्रिस्टल क्लियर टू देम। इट इज सिमिलर टू व्हाट वी से ना, कि हम खुशी बाहर ढूंढते रहते हैं, पर खुशी कहाँ होती है?
अंदर।
हमारे अंदर। राइट? ये जो जोर से आवाज आई है ना, आई रियली लव दिस। सो खुशी हमारे अंदर होती है। सिमिलरली हमें किसी से कुछ उम्मीद नहीं रखनी। आपको अपने हस्बैंड से बहुत सारा प्यार चाहिए, आप बस यूनिवर्स से आस्क करो, आपको अपने हस्बैंड से नहीं आस्क करना। आई एम टेलिंग यू एंड आई कैन वाउच फॉर इट। आपके बच्चे कुछ कर रहे हैं, आपको नहीं टाइम दे रहे हैं, आपको नहीं कुछ करना, आपको बस आपकी और यूनिवर्स की बात होनी है डायरेक्ट, एक फेथ से करनी है, और आपने उसको इमेजिन करना है। और हम यही जर्नी ना अगले 28 और दिन करेंगे। मेरा आज से आप लोगों को क्या रिक्वेस्ट है, एंड आई एम देन गोइंग टू स्टार्ट। कोशिश करो, व्हेन यू जॉइन मी इन द मॉर्निंग, यू आर फ्रेश, योर वीडियोज आर ऑन, एंड यू हैव अ पेन एंड पेपर विद यू। सिर्फ सुनकर आपको 10% मिलेगा, आप हैप्पीनेस के मोड में रहोगे पूरा दिन, ये मेरा वादा है आपसे। बट हमें क्या चाहिए? मैं चाहती हूं कि जो लोग मेरे पास आ रहे हैं ना, इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल ग्रुप, हम हैप्पीनेस में नहीं रहे, हम अपनी डेस्टिनी खुद क्रिएट करें। आप में से कितने लोग हैं ये चाहते हैं कि वो सुबह उठ के जो सोचे पूरा दिन वो सुबह अपने आप डिफाइन कर पाए? How many of you want to do that and create that?
I want to do it.
Yeah, me too.
Right?
Yeah.
I have seen it happening for myself. इतना मजेदार है ना कि मैं सुबह उठ के सोच सकती हूँ कि मुझे कितने पेशेंट्स देखने हैं आज, मुझे बच्चों के साथ क्या करना है, मुझे फैमिली के साथ क्या करना है, मुझे अपने साथ क्या करना है, एंड दैट हैपन्स। आज मुझे किससे मिलना है, मुझे नहीं सोचना वो बॉम्बे से आएगा या यूएस से आएगा। इट हैपन्स। सो आई एम टेलिंग यू, ये जो आप सुबह एफर्ट कर रहे हो ना, फर्स्ट थैंक योर सेल्फ फॉर बीइंग एबल टू डू इट, एंड मोर इंपॉर्टेंटली कल से बी हियर विद योर वीडियोज ऑन, विद अ पेन एंड पेपर, एंड विद द माइंडसेट मैं बिल्कुल फ्रेश हूं, मैं तो अपनी डेस्टिनी खुद क्रिएट करूंगी। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक दिस इज डूएबल?
I think it's doable.
Yeah, it is.
Yes.
Yes.
ग्रेट। एंड यू नो व्हाट, यू आर हियर एट दिस टाइम बिकॉज आपका टाइम आ गया अब। अदरवाइज कुछ भी हो सकता था कि आप नहीं आ पाते यहां पर। यस और नो?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? आए हो तो क्या होता है ना, हम लोग ह्यूमन बीइंग्स बहुत थोड़े से भी खुश हो जाते हैं। डोंट डू दैट। सिर्फ हैप्पी जोन में होने के लिए नहीं आ रहे हो यहां पर, आप लोग अपनी डेस्टिनी क्रिएट करने के लिए आ रहे हो। राइट? So let's start with this book today and a very, very beautiful assignment we will do today. And कल से मैं आप सबको स्पीकर पे मिलूंगी. कोई है जो रीड करना चाहता है आज? Anybody who wants to read, you can let me know, otherwise I will read.
We would love to hear you only.
Perfect, Eji. So I will read it. Okay. So I left it here yesterday, a magical book, because I really wanted us to get into the whole feeling. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. John F. Kennedy. So how many of you think this is true?
Me.
True, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
Right. And how many of think that when we only listen, we are only uttering words? But when we actually do reading, when we actually sit with focus, when we actually do all our assignments at the right time, we are living by them. Right?
Yes, certainly.
Great. So in this book, there are 28 magical practices that have been specifically designed so that you learn how to use gratitude's magical power to revolutionize your health, money, job, and relationships, and to make your smallest desires and your biggest dreams come true. So कुछ भी छोटा नहीं है, कुछ भी बड़ा नहीं है ना?
Yeah.
सब प्यार है. राइट. एक में सीरियल आता है आजकल जिसका बहुत ही अच्छा थीम सॉन्ग है, विच इज प्यार 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 ऐसे करके ना. वेरी नाइस. सो आई थिंक दैट रेजोनेट्स हियर. You will also learn how to practice gratitude to dissolve problems and transform any negative situation. आपको लगता है प्रॉब्लम्स एक आइस के बड़े रॉक की तरह हो जाती हैं?
Yes, ma'am, हो जाती है
ना? So just visualize that rock. कैसे वो पहले पानी की तरह था, धीरे धीरे वो इतनी देर से persistent होता रहा आपके लाइफ में कि अब वो पत्थर की तरह हो गया है. एंड यू नो आप वहां से बाहर ही नहीं निकल पा रहे हो. राइट? तो उसको डिसॉल्व करने के लिए क्या करना है हमको? प्रैक्टिस ग्रैटिट्यूड. एंड वो बिल्कुल पानी की तरह दोबारा बहकर कहीं बह जाएगा. प्लीज टेक 30 seconds and just visualize this. Great. You will be captivated while you read this life-changing knowledge. But without practicing what you learn, the knowledge will slip through your fingers. And the opportunity that you attracted to easily change your life will be gone. I will read this again for all of you. Please be attentive. You will be captivated while you read this life-changing knowledge. But without practicing what you learn, the knowledge will slip through your fingers, and the opportunity that you attracted to easily change your life will be gone. To ensure this doesn't happen to you, you need to practice gratitude over 28 days so that you impregnate your cells and your subconscious mind with it. Only then will it change your life permanently. How many of us want to change our life permanently?
All of us, ma'am.
All of us, even me, right? So the practices are designed to be completed over 28 consecutive days. This allows you to make gratitude a habit and a new way of life. Practicing gratitude is a concentrated effort over consecutive days, guarantees that you will see the magic take place in your life. And fast. I cannot tell you how quick this can happen. Just focus on what this book is saying. Within each magical practice is a wealth of secret teachings that will expand your tremendous knowledge in tremendous ways. In each practice, you will understand more and more about how life works and how easy it is to have the life you've dreamed of. So, are you ready to create a life of your dreams with me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So, the first 12 practices use the magical power of gratitude for what you have now and for what you have received in the past. Because unless you are grateful for what you have and what you have received, the magic won't work and you won't receive it. These first 12 practices will set the magic of gratitude into motion immediately. आप में से कितने लोग ग्रैटिट्यूड देते हो इस चीज को कि आप पैदा हुए और आपको बिना कुछ काम किए खाना, कपड़ा, फ्रेंड सब कुछ मिलता था? How
Very
many?
occasionally.
Right. And when, I started doing this, I thought, see, I was born and my parents did so much. मैं रोती थी, मुझे उसी टाइम पे दूध मिलता था, मुझे खाना मिलता था, मेरी टेस्ट की चीज़ें मिलती थी, मुझे वेकेशंस मिलती थी और मुझे कुछ भी नहीं करना होता था. राइट? इतने अच्छे टीचर्स थे, इतने अच्छे फ्रेंड्स थे. मतलब it was so magical. And कैसे जैसे जैसे मैं बड़ी होती गई, I am thankful, but not every day. वो जो आंख में चमक थी, वो मैजिक देखकर कुछ भी हो जाने की, कि वो चंदा ये देगा या सांता क्लॉज ये लेके आ सकता है, that suddenly vanished. So this will help us get back there so that we start from there. The next 10 practices use the magical power of gratitude for your desires, dreams, and everything you want. Through these 10 practices, you will be able to make your dreams come true. And you will see the circumstances of your life magically change. The last 6 practices take you to a whole new level where you will be saturating gratitude into every cell of your body and mind. You will learn how to use gratitude's magical power to help other people, dissolve problems, and improve any negative situation or circumstance you may encounter throughout your life. You don't need to clear your calendar because each of the practices has been specifically created to fit in your everyday life, whether it's workday, weekends, holidays, or vacations. Right, Manisha? Manisha?
Correct, doctor.
Gratitude is portable. You take it with you wherever you go, even when you go to Goa. And then wherever you go, the magic happens. If you miss a day, you will most likely lose the momentum of what you have done. To ensure that you don't reduce the magic, if you miss a day, count back 3 days and repeat the practices again from there. So I'll repeat this for you. If you miss a day, you will most likely lose the momentum of what you have done. To ensure that you don't reduce the magic, if you miss a day, count back 3 days and repeat the practices again from there. Some practices are designed for the morning and others are designed to do throughout the day. So read each day's practice first thing in the morning. Some practices will need to be read the night before because they begin when you wake. And I will tell you when to do this. You might want to read the next day's practice every night before you go to sleep in order to be prepared. If you do, make sure to reread the practice again in the morning. If you don't want to follow the 28 magical practices consecutively, you can also use them in other ways. You could choose one magical practice that addresses an important subject in your life that you want to change or improve, and you could do that practice 3 days in a row or every day for a week. Or you could do one magical practice a week or 2 practices a week. The only difference being that it will take you longer to say the changes in your life. So sorry friends, but with my experience, don't do this, what, Rhonda is recommending here. It becomes very, 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 very slow. So the way I've seen it working is you do 28 days with me properly. Then you can go back to this and choose one area which is weak in your area and focus on that. But first time, do this 28 days in a row. So what is going to happen after the 28 days? Once you have completed the 28 magical practices, you can use particular practices to increase the magic where and when you have a specific need, such as for health or money, or if you want to receive your dream job, have increased success in your work, or improve a relationship, or to continue the practice of gratitude. You can open this book at random, and whichever practice you open to is the one you attracted. So it's the perfect one to do that day. At the end of the 28-day magical practices, there are also recommendations of practices you can use in combination, which will accelerate the magic in specific areas of your life. So can you overdo gratitude?
No.
Never. Can your life become too magical?
No.
Hardly. It can always be more, You can just ask for whatever you want. Use the practices over and over so that gratitude seeps into your consciousness and becomes second nature to you. After 28 days, you will have rewired your brain and implanted gratitude in your subconscious mind, where it is automatically the first thing that comes to your mind in any situation. The magic you experience will be your inspiration, because as you incorporate gratitude into your days, they will be nothing short of spectacular. And me being here is the proof of this. I would never have thought that I will do something like this early morning. Right? So what are your dreams? Many of the magical practices are designed to help you achieve your dreams. Therefore, you need to get clear about what you really want. So friends, I have a question for all of you. If you go to a restaurant, do you give your order or do you tell that guy, the waiter, that, I'm hungry, get me some food? What do you do? Option 1 or 2?
1.
1.
So in life, when you are ordering universe, why do you keep telling the universe, I'm unhappy, make me happy? How many of you have given already an order to the universe saying, I need this at this time, slightly hot, with little less salt, with no sugar, with good olive oil on top of it? Please, if you have done that, please let me know. I want to know that.
I think I did that for my board exams and then through college and then sometimes in life. But then uske baad bhul jate hain. Yeah, didn't really realize how it happened and then you forget about it and then a year later you do it again.
Right. But does that happen when you order in a restaurant?
Oh no, obviously not.
Whatever you've ordered, because you... Right. So what's the difference?
Specifically knowing what you're asking for. And
No. What's the bigger difference?
Ask and it's given.
Oh, very good. But what's the difference, Tanvi, in your case? Your belief that you will get it. First, you exactly knowing what you want.
Yeah.
And second, your belief in magic. Get up, good morning. Sit down with a computer or pen and paper. Now today's assignment, sit down with a computer or pen and paper and make a list of what you really want in every area of your life. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to share a sheet with all of you today. अगर आपको sheet नहीं मिलेगा, please send me a message. Are all of us on Telegram?
No.
No, ma'am. No.
Yes, I am. I am on it.
I am not.
Because Telegram में ना delete नहीं होते हैं messages. So I was wondering अगर हम लोग सिर्फ इस group के लिए Telegram पे आ सकते हैं. Otherwise I keep forwarding again and again. I will share a sheet with all of you. And then just on that sheet do this assignment. Think through every detail of what you want to be, what you want to do or have in your life, in your relationships, in your career, in your finances, in your health, and every area that is important to you. You can be as specific and detailed as you like. अगर आपको लगे एक sheet कम हो गई है, take another sheet and write on it. But remember, your job is simply to list what you want, not how you are going to get what you want. The how will be done for you when gratitude works its magic. If you want a better job or your dream job, then think about everything you want the job needs to offer. Think about the things that are important to you, such as type of work you want to do, how you want to feel in your job, the type of company you want to work for, the kind of people you want to work with, the hours you want to work, where you want your job to be, and the salary you want to receive. हम लोग क्या करते हैं? Job, salary, company पे छोड़ देते हैं. We don't feel, we don't think कैसे लोग होने चाहिए, क्या timings होने चाहिए. So get very clear about what you want in the job by thinking it through thoroughly and writing all the details down, right? If you want money to educate your children, work out the details of their education, including which school you want your children to attend, the cost of school fees, books, food, clothing, transportation, so that you know exactly how much money you will need. If you want to travel, then write down the details of the countries you want to visit, how long you want to travel for, what you want to see and do, where you want to stay, and the means by which you want to travel. If you want a perfect partner, then write down every detail of the characteristics you want that person to have. If you want improved relationships, write down the relationships you want to improve and what you want them to be like. If you want more health or an improved bodily condition, be specific about what ways you want to improve your health or body. If you want a dream home, then list every detail of what you want the home to be, room by room. If there are specific material things you want, like a car, clothes, appliances, write them down. If you want to achieve something, such as passing an exam, getting a degree, a goal in sports, succeeding as a musician, doctor, writer, actor, scientist, or a business person, or whatever it is you would like to achieve, write it down and be as specific as possible. I would strongly urge you to find the time to maintain a list of your dreams throughout your life. Write down the little things, the big things, or what you want this moment, this month, or this year. As you think of more things, add them to the list. And as you receive things, cross them off the list. An easy way to do a list of what you want is to divide it into categories. And this is what I'm going to send you. Health and body, career and work, money, relationships, personal desires, and material things. And then just add the things you want to each category. When you get clear about the things you want, you are giving a definite direction to the way you want gratitude's magical power to change your life. And you are ready to begin the most exciting and thrilling adventure you've ever been on.
Yay, ma'am.
Great. So hop on. And today is a Sunday, and I've specifically chosen Sunday for this day. Take your time, sit with your pen and paper, and just sit with yourself for 2 hours. And do this exercise. जितना डिटेल ऑर्डर दोगे उतना बढ़िया क्रिएट हो करेगा शेफ आपकी डिश. And if you think that you don't want to give an order and you don't know it, remember, nobody knows it better than you. Nobody knows it better than you. So today, just forget everything. Take out time for yourself and write your dream list. I will meet you again tomorrow at 6 a.m.
Yes.
I am expecting a lot of you to meet me tomorrow with your videos on,
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
and somebody to volunteer for reading.
Sure.
Superb. All the best. Have a great Sunday and magical, magical, magical day.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.